Good day, everyone. I am Cadet Harold P. Badoy from MT3 Alpha. So, today I am going to uh, talk about how the FURUNO Eco Sounder operates. So, here right now, as you can see, we have a FURUNO type of Eco Sounder. So, first, you can see that there is a printer below. So, in order to operate it, you can see the power. So, before we operate equipment or anything inside the vessel, so we need to make sure that it is connected to the system. So, first, we need to power on the power supply button, as you can see here. Next, uh, in our display, in our transducer, so below, you can see we have a 17.5 reading. So it is our base in our display. It has a depth of with a below the seabed of 17.5. So right now our mode is knob mode. And if you want to enter our drop, so as you can see in our button, you can change it into our DBS. So, turn it clockwise. So, here is the depth below surface. So, right now, we have a reading of 23.1 meters. So, as you can see above, so our draft is 5.6 meters, and we have a set of alarm of 7 meters. So, next, we can set our draft. So here we have a button of plus and minus. So if you want to increase our draft, we can click this add button, and if we want to decrease our draft, we can click the minus sign. So to set our draft. The next mode that we have is the logbook. So here in the logbook, it is connected to the history. So we can see inside the logbook the time, the depth, and the latitude and the longitude of the vessel. So it has a 24 hours of history mode inside our logbook. So in order for us to adjust, for example, the time is already passed for 23 hours ago. So we can use the minus sign in order uh, to move the time that we want to know the information on what is the depth of the water, where it's located, and so on. So the next mode that we have is the OS data. So OS stands for the own ship data. So here we can see once we move the mode into the OS data, it will show the time. So the UTC, or right now we have a 20 hours, 27 minutes, and 30 seconds. And also it will indicate our depth of the vessel, which is right now we have a 17.5. So next is the help menu. The next mode that we have is the help mode. So once we move the mode into the help, so we can now click the draft, and it will teach us, or it will show instruction how to adjust the draft. Next, if we click the mute alarm, it will show the information how to mute alarm. Also, same goes with the dim, the brilliance, in order to adjust the brilliance or the clarity in the display in our Furuno Eco Sounder. And next is the color. It also help show you how to adjust the color according, example, nighttime and daytime. So last mode that we have is the menu. So inside the menu, so here in the menu, so it is considered as the setting. So if you are not sure of what you're going to do, so just don't change anything in our menu. But if you want here, as you can see, the interference rejection, there are IR1, IR2, IR3. It depends on you. If you know how to use it, you can select this. Then about the picture advance, so we can click here the slow, or we can move it into fast, but most probably in the ship we use the slow mode. And here next is the trend indicator. So it is always on turn on in order for us to know the trend. So it will indicate in our Furuno screen regarding for everything that the echo sounder should display. And next is for the interval, we can use where we can adjust, for example here we have 5 seconds and 1 minute. Next is every 2 minutes, we can set here inside the menu. So that's all from based from the mode button of our FURUNO Echo Sounder. So for further understanding, so right now we're going back to the nav mode. So here in the nav mode, you can see the 17.7. So this measurement is from the below keel of our vessel going to the ground surface. So as you can see above, we have a alarm of 2 meters. So there, as you can see the line above, so below from a keel of the ship, we have 2 meters. So once it detects any obstruction or any danger or potential risk, it will automatically sound the alarm. So in order for us to set the alarm, so we can, just like I mentioned earlier, we can click the mute alarm, then we can do the adjust the plus sign to increase the draft, and you will see that the line will go down below the keel. Once we click the minus sign, so the line will go upward towards our keel. So that is very easy to change the alarm, depends on our vessel and based on the surface that we are traveling, for example open sea or the coastal areas. So lastly, here is our FURUNO printer. So uh, it will automatically print everything that being displayed in our FURUNO Eco Sounder monitor. So for example, the depth, the the depth from below the keel, surface of water, and so on. So that is the end of my discussion, and I hope that you understand how to operate the echo sounder. To be specific, the Furuno echo sounder. And thank you.